The bird's nest soup holds a luminous place in East Asian cuisine, crafted from the glistening nests of swiftlets. Legends tie the nests to longevity and prosperity, while emperors funded builders to harvest them high over limestone caves. Historically, nests were protected by strict laws, but modern harvesting sparked controversy as wild stocks declined. Religious and cultural taboos intersect as some communities view swiftlets as sacred, while others condemn overexploitation. This clash between appetite and conservation explains why many cultures now forbid unsustainable harvesting and promote responsible sourcing practices.